Hi, I'm Dr. Emoji, and I present to you the Pyramid Model Project Parent Workshops, a collaboration between the University of Miami Department of Psychology, the Miami-Dade County Public School Early Childhood Programs, and the Miami Children Initiative.
Welcome back. This is Session 4, Part 2, Positive Solutions for Families, Problem Solving for Challenging Behaviors, Part 2. But first, let's do a quick review. In the last video, we talked about how to teach your child how to talk about their feelings using this feeling chart. We also went over some exercises such as talking about how characters in books, videos, or TV may feel. In this video, we will talk about anger and impulse, the STAR behavior, positive solution, and problem solving.
Controlling anger and impulse. How do we help our children when it comes to learning how to problem solve, analyzing anger in themselves and others, and learning how to calm down? Here is a suggestion: STAR behavior. How to achieve STAR behavior, you ask? Well, S, stop, don't react physically. T, take 3 deep breaths to calm down. A, analyze the situation and think of a solution. R, respond calmly with your solution. Remember, it is important to help your child think of some of these positive solutions. Here are some examples that you can help them use. Get an adult. Ask nicely. Ignore. Play. Say please stop. Say please. Share. Wait your turn. Can you think of some more positive solutions?
Although it is a great idea to offer your child positive solutions, we also want to teach them how to problem solve all on their own. Here are some problem solving questions you can ask your child to help them. What if you knock over your friend's tower at school? How do you think your friend would feel? How would you feel? What could you do? You can also tell them, even if it was an accident, sometimes we still hurt people's feelings. Remember, your child needs you to help them navigate their feelings. You can do this by teaching them how to express their feelings, like we reviewed in Part 1, showing them how to control their anger and disappointment by using the STAR behavior, and by helping them problem solve by offering possible solutions or asking questions that can help them find solutions all on their own. Now it's your turn. Things to try at home. Talk to your child about their feelings using the feelings chart from Part 1. Review the problem solving questions and think of possible solutions for problem solving. Okay, that's it for Session 4. But be on the lookout for our next short video on Facing This Challenge Part 1.
That's it for now, but check out our other videos. Till next time, Dr. Emoji signing out.